Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of Expert Village. In this segment, we're going to chill our wort and get it ready to put our yeast into. To do this, we're first going to take our wort and put it into our sink. Next, we're going to take our drain plug, put it in there, and start flowing cold water. In the chilling process, we're trying to drop the temperature of the wort as fast as we can to encourage something called cold break, which will precipitate proteins, and also get the wort to a temperature at which we can mix in our yeast as quickly as we can so that yeast has the best chance of establishing itself as the dominant microbe in the wort. While I'm doing this, I'm stirring the water around the pot in order to break up the boundary layer that's forming of hot water. Also, you can kind of give the pot a little stir, and that breaks up the boundary layer on the inside, so this will encourage cooler slowing, or faster cooling. While you're waiting for your wort to chill, you may want to get a head start on the next step, which is yeast preparation. While we're waiting for it to cool, we're going to start filling our bucket up with some nice cold water. Now, with these buckets, this typically represents the halfway mark, or the 5-gallon mark. So we're going to start filling it to roughly 2.5 gallons, and then we're going to top off with the wort and then whatever else we need to get just above 5.5 gallons. So grab your water and start pouring and filling it up. You're going to want to fill your airlock half up with sanitizing solution or water. This is going to help prevent any microbes or air from getting in and also allow the carbon dioxide to escape. The hot kettle will heat up your water pretty quickly, so once it's gotten to a pretty warm temperature, you're going to want to drain it, and we're going to fill it up and add some ice next time. Now that we've filled up the sink again with a nice cold batch of water, we're going to make it even colder by adding a whole bunch of ice from our refrigerator. Then we're going to continue to swirl the water around it so it gets nice and cold and breaks up the hot boundary layer. After half an hour or so, you should be able to take out your pot, hold your hand here, and if it doesn't feel hot at all, you're in good shape. If it still is pretty hot, you're probably going to want to let it sit in some cold water for a little while longer.